The Mighty Networks platform gives you options for generating revenue. You can sell online memberships, earn money with online course registrations, have premium memberships, and more. You also have the choice of collecting payments through the Mighty Networks platform or with an external payment processor. In this video, you'll look at some of the possibilities for monetizing a Mighty Network and see examples of 3 of the popular revenue strategies. I'm Marcia Chadley, and I'm here to help you be successful with the Mighty Networks platform. You can think of a Mighty Network as a building. It has a front door. You can see that, the enter here into this green room. That's the main area of the network that everybody can get into. Once you're inside the network, once you're a member of the network, you also have access to side rooms. Those side rooms are optional and you can have any number of them. Those are the groups and courses in a Mighty Network. The host of a Mighty Network can choose to charge or not for admission into any of these doors, the front doors or the inner doors into the groups and courses. The front door into a network, that main entrance, is one of the points where members can be charged an access fee to get into the network, a membership fee, an entrance fee. Brings them in, lets them enjoy whatever community, experiences, and courses you have set up to be included for that fee. You can collect payment through the Mighty Networks platform itself, in which case people will pay using Stripe. That's the payment processor that integrates with Mighty Networks. And if you want, you can integrate tax collection using Cuaderno. You can also charge prices in multiple currencies. That was new last year. So that if you want to charge in something outside of the US dollars that were the original Mighty Networks payment currency, you can now do that. Another choice you have is to collect payment through an outside payment processor using ThriveCard or PayPal, some other shopping cart or payment processor that you're already using or want to use. If you do that, once the people pay, you bring them in, invite them into the network. And if you want to automate that process, you can use Zapier. We've talked about the front door. Now let's talk about the inner doors, the doors into the groups and courses that you've built into your network. You can charge for those inner doors individually or as a collection. Say you have a bundle of courses that you want everyone to pay for together, or you want to charge for the front door and one of the inner groups or courses. You have the same choices for charging and collecting revenue in the inner doors of your network. In those spaces that you set up using the groups and courses features of the Mighty Network platform, you may have premium membership areas or online courses. You can charge or have free areas. You can collect money using the built-in platform and its integration with Stripe. You can collect money outside using an external payment processor and bring people in. You have the ability to charge at either or both of these places. So let's take a look at 3 of the popular revenue strategies so you can explore some ideas of what you might like to do. One of the simple and easy ways to earn money from your Mighty Network is to charge a membership fee for people coming into the network. The Courageously Connected in Heart Network does just that, and it's using the Mighty Network built-in support. Here's the plan that you can choose to join the network, paying $35 Canadian a month. Another popular revenue strategy for a Mighty Network is to host live or e-courses or both inside your network, sell registration to those courses through your website, and then invite people into your network once they've paid the registration fee. That's what Connie Solera does. Here's her website, one of the courses she sells. And then when people join that course, they're invited to join her Mighty Network. And also then they'll be put into the course inside the Mighty Network. There's no plan, choose a plan button here. There's a request to join. If you go down, there's no plan, no purchasing through the landing page of the Mighty Network. All the purchases are done through the website. Another revenue strategy for a Mighty Network is to have a free membership and then have premium offerings inside, either premium memberships or courses or both. So here's my Mighty Network. It's an example of that type of a revenue strategy. Anyone can come in and explore, anyone can join it. And if you look at the different programs I have offered, there are some for purchase and some that are free. Here's another example of a free network that has premium offerings inside of it. This network is using the community plan rather than the business plan, so there are no course structures, but there are groups. So if you look at the groups inside Tabitha's network, here are some of the different options that you can purchase for those groups. Another important thing to know about pricing in a Mighty network is that you can have multiple prices when you use the built-in payment processor. So in this paid Mighty network, if you look at the plans that they have offered, they have a plan with multiple price points. So you can set up multiple prices, even free, in a paid Mighty network to support a variety of different needs. This big picture of revenue generating strategy probably has you wondering, okay, what do I want to do in my specific situation? I'm here to help you further using my Mighty Network's experience and expertise in my own online community and also in private one-on-one support. You'll find information about both of these in the video description.